I'm going to be playing footage of my brand new garden and my farm while I express my gratefulness for every single one of you. My gratitude for all of these new people and the original ones who supported me from the very beginning, tuning into my wisdom, is amazingly astonishing. I'm so grateful for every single one of you tuning into my love and returning it right back. I could have never imagined this amount of viewers, and being capable of sharing to a mass amount of people what true self unconditional love, acceptance, and being united is all about just boggles my mind that people want to tune into my raw value. Receiving this type of joy and love is unusual to me, as my whole life I had always felt neutral, felt pure nothingness, like I have already experienced everything. So I just ended up wanting to waste my life and time away. After finding unconditional love, self acceptance, and peace within every living moment, I was now one with the universe, one with the source. Once I realized that God is not judging, that is an illusion, and that God is only love, unlimited, unconditional love, my perspective was reborn. I now understood we hold infinite abundance within. We all hold the love, peace, bliss, and creation of God. Therefore, we all hold what God sowed. God, the Creator, had sowed this consciousness all throughout every living thing that is nature. But in this modern day, we have been ripped apart from nature. In this modern system we live in, we have to reconnect with nature. That fact itself is quite saddening, as the only thing our ancestors knew was being one with nature. This unique journey we all experience in the modern times is one of individuality, a divided perspective. In modern day, we have been subject to view others as separate. This separate, egocentric view is what manifested the system of biased power over the world now. My whole life, fears and limiting beliefs held me back for the longest time. I was not worthy or capable. I had no character or personality. I did not obtain the knowledge or value that I craved. Tuning in with the universe and nature has proved this all to be completely false, that it's all an illusion within the mind, and that showed me that I have the power within to believe, create, and be whatever my soul desires. I now understand that you are here for me and I am here for you. We, as brothers and sisters, may provide value to each other, but only if we are tuned in to the love and acceptance of the present moment that is the source. Every vision that the universe has entitled to me, the universe has also granted for me. I will dedicate all my time and energy to serving you as my brothers and sisters. Remember that I am no teacher. I am just as you are me. I'm going to produce as much value as I possibly can while I'm amidst serving the system. School is so whacked right now that I literally just go to school to cook in a foods class, then go home and do online math. So, once again, thank you all, as I would not be here without you, and I am extremely excited to keep showing all of you the value I hold, and am excited to receive the value right back from you. Anyway, let's get on to the short but powerful knowledge. I now can see and understand the true power nature holds, and I can now connect as one with nature. Nature has notified me that now is the time that I may finally let go and detach. And now I may spread the word of truth, the only truth there is, and that truth is nature. Knowledge is power, and nature holds all knowledge, as it has lived through it all. Nature is a DNA that has existed for billions of billions
millions of years. It is our ancestor. Nature does not abide to any system, laws, or restrictions. It just is. It does not cheat on us, let us down, nor does it ever deceive us. I have reached the point in my journey to see nature for what it really is, and now nature spreads its word. I am nature, you are nature, everything we know is a compound of nature, a piece of the pie of the source, a raindrop from the same ocean. Nature is the very essence of everything. We would not be without nature. We are nature, and nature is the source. Connect with nature, and you may connect with the source. Connect with nature and reap the resources. You may discover your true self and our true past beyond a textbook of man-made history, his story. Nature holds all that is. All that is only truth. Lies and illusions are made up in our very minds. All that is and all that is truth. Nature will teach what is the source, which is what nature is. Pure peace, bliss, and love of only silence. The most important lesson nature will ever teach us is the gift of silence. How foolish us humanity have become to believe the scientists and religious textbooks will save us. Try to remember what we used to be, what our ancestors wore. There is a time where we will forget all that was and instead be ruled by temptation and egotistical desires, but nature will still always remain there, as we cannot be without it. So, what are you waiting for? Do you want to join the shift of reconnecting with nature and your true self, or stay divided and distracted within an egocentric perspective? Nature is the source of all source. Become one with nature, and you may reap what nature holds.